Hello, welcome to our classes. I am Dr. K.K. Misra. This video tutorial is on multiple choice questions on principles of management, also known as essentials of management or fundamentals of management. This is part 6. Now come to the question. Number 1. According to empirical approach, management is a study of experience of managers, B. decision making, C. A system of logical process. D. Depends upon the relationship among people. Here correct option is A. Study of experience of managers. Question number 2. Management by objectives concept was developed by dash A. Peter F. Drucker, B. Fayol, C. Chester Barnard, D. None. Here correct option is A. Peter F. Drucker. 3. MBO offers the basis for assessing the dash A. Techniques, B. Performance, C. Authority, D. Subject. Your correct option is B. Performance. 4. The principles of management by exception is to relieve top level executive from dash A. Performance, B. Production, C. Routine matters, D. None. Your correct option is C. Routine matters. 5. The line of authority from the chief executives to the lowest level of organization is called dash A. Unity of command, B. Unity of direction, C. Scalar chain, D. Order. A correct option is C. Scalar chain. 6. Code of conduct is an example of dash A. Controllable premise, B. Semi-controllable, C. Uncontrollable, D. None. A correct option is A. Controllable premise. 7. A small program is called dash A. Schedule, B. Project, C. Budget, D. None. The correct option is B. Project. 8. Guidepost of managerial action is dash A. Rule, B. Policy, C. Program, D. Strategy. Correct option is A. Rule. 9. Policies are dash a short range plan, B. medium term plan, C. long range plan, or D. all. The correct option is D. all. 10. A sequence of activities to implement the policy is dash A. program, B. budget, C. plan, D. procedure. Correct option is A. program. 11. Planning is dash process, A. directing, B. thinking, C. forecasting, D. none. Correct option is B. thinking. 12. Lower level management is concerned with the tactical administrative plans which are dash A. long range plans, B. short range plans, C. medium range plans, D. none. Correct option is B. short range plans. 13. Policies are flexible whereas procedures are dash A. specific, B. detailed, C. rigid, D. all. Correct option is C. rigid. 14. Dash is described as interpretative planning, A. procedure, B. strategy, C. policies, D. none. Correct option is B. strategy. 15. Dash indicates the exact manner in which the integrated series of activities will have to be performed, A. procedures, B. planning, C. organizing, D. staffing. Correct option is A. procedures. 16. Organizational decisions are made by dash A. directors, B. managers, C. managing directors, D. none. Correct option is B. managers. 17. Organization means a formalized intentional structure of dash A. roles, B. rooms, C. routes, D. none. Correct option is A. roles. 18. A proper organization avoids duplication of dash A. action, B. activities, C. assets, D. none. Correct option is B. activities. 19. Power is the ability to do dash A. something, B. anything, C. order, D. none. Correct option is A. something. 20. Authority and responsibilities should be dash A. equal, B. not equal, C. effective, or D. none. Here correct option is A. equal. 21. Authority is the right to give dash A. powers, B. order, C. responsibility, D. none. Correct option is B. order. 22. Responsibility is an obligation to carry out certain dash A tasks, B talks, C tastes, D none. Correct option is A tasks. 23. Operational authorities to carrying out the dash A wards, B work, C supervisor, D none. Correct option is B work. 24. Authority flowing from top to bottom is called dash A formal authority, B informal authority, C both, or D none. Correct option is A formal authority. 25. The number of subordinates that a manager can manage is called A delegation, B span of management, C development, D none. Correct option is B span of management. 26. The staff are experts who provide advice to dash A workers, B line workers, C line officers, D none. Correct option is C line officers. 27. Functional authority ensures A coordination, B control, C better division of labor, D none. Correct option is C better division of labor. 28. Aptitude test consists of dash A attitude test, B intelligence test, C interest test, D all. Correct option is D all. 29. Shifting a trainee from one job to another is known as dash A job rotation, B job playing, C programmed learning, D none. Correct option is A job rotation. 30. Performance appraisal serves as a basis for dash A training, B promotion, C performance, D staffing. Correct option is B promotion. So this was all about this particular video tutorial. I hope that you have liked it, and if you have liked it, please do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel R Classes and press the bell button and pass it on to others, those who are needy now and in the future. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much. Have a nice time. Best of luck.